Hi guys, it's Coach Day, and for today's for this video, I'm going to do a quick slideshow about me. If you were in the class, you'd be able to ask more questions, but after you watch the video, if you want to put comments or ask questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Preferably on Google Classroom. Don't put the comments on YouTube. So. One sec. Okay, there we go. So I was actually born and raised in Garland, Texas, which is one of the suburbs over in Dallas. I graduated from Rowlett High School with honors, and a few years later, I graduated from West Texas A&M cum laude, which is one of the degrees you can get for honors with a Bachelor's of Science of Interdisciplinary Studies. I've studied just as much science as I did math, but I chose to get a math certification. Professional experience, I used to teach in Big Spring, Texas. I taught 7th and 8th grade math from 2012 to 2014, and then I left teaching for a little bit to join the United States Marine Corps from 2014 to 2018. When I got out of the Marine Corps, I taught at Spring Creek a couple of years ago to doing math, PE, and athletics, and I was a head coach for basketball. And right now, I'm teaching math here at Borger High School. I've got the algebra classes, and then I also coach at Borger Middle School. While I was in the military, I was trained on a lot of different weapons. These ones, I just put pictures up because these were the most fun ones to use. This is me at boot camp, and then I'm this guy in the center, and those were my 4 drill instructors. I really appreciated the training, and I'm glad they took a picture with me. But if you're in class, you can ask more about some of the experience, but I'm going to try to keep the video under 5 minutes. I married my wife. We got married in 2018. That's her. Her name is Bethany. And yeah, I'm happily married right now. Just a few fun facts. I've flown an ultralight, which is this plane right here. That's not me in the picture. It's just a picture of the plane. I've called down bombs. When I was in the military, one of my assignments was to do controlled call for fires, which is where you get artillery and air strikes down on targets. I really enjoy swimming. No, that is not me. This is just a picture of someone swimming. That was one of my favorite things to do as far as training went. I've got some experience in boxing and martial arts. I have done some extreme cold weather and heat training while I was in the Marine Corps. The coldest temperature we had operations was, I think it was negative about 15 degrees. And the hottest it got when we did our training was 135. So I've experienced a little bit of everything. And then I really like playing video games. Right now, PUBG is probably what I'd spend the most time on, but I've played all the Zelda games, Pokemon, Borderlands, Magic the Gatherings, and of course I like doing sports too. Baseball, football, basketball, rugby, anything that has a ball and gets you moving, I'll go play. And so if you were in class, we're going to do this thing, 2 truths and a wish. I'll try to set up an activity similar on Google Forms where maybe you write down 3 things. And here's how it would go. I want you to write down 3 things about yourself. 2 of them have to be true, and 1 could be something you want to do later, or you could totally make it up and it could not go with you. And I'll try to pick one, and then I want you to let me know if I got it right or wrong. And yeah, I want you to do that activity, and I'll hear from you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and I'll get back to you when I can. All right.